Are you still contemplating starting your Etsy store and you're not quite sure where you should be heading? Should I be going print on demand? Should I be going homemade? If you're quite crafty, that is definitely a great place to start. Another type of product that is really huge on Etsy is the digital downloads. Now, particularly at the moment, something like planners are absolutely huge. So today I wanted to head over onto the computer and just show you what kind of average sales you could expect to generate by doing this, and also just kind of explain a little bit more about the kind of work involved. Now, you will have to bear with me a little bit today. The audio is not bad. I am just absolutely full of a cold. So we're going to head over onto the computer. We'll use Everbee and we will see what some of the best products we can find in the digital downloads section are. Okay, so here we are over on Etsy. As you can see, I've still got my Everbee extension open. So what we're going to get started with is we're just going to type up here digital downloads. Let's have a look and see what that comes up with. So different types of digital downloads that we have. We've got the artwork, we've got invitations, we've actually got people just selling the ideas here. We've got strategy guides, we've got an instant download, an SVG design that you could upload onto, you know, any kind of t-shirt, jumper, anything else that you can make. More artwork, success plan there, how to start your Etsy shop, mock-ups are a great one, Etsy course, more artwork, shadow work journal, printing style, more art. So as you can see, you have got so many different types of things. Here you've got a nursing school bundle. So if you think that has got a huge amount of reviews, nursing school bundle, but if you think about what you would include within that, you kind of need to have a bit of knowledge around it. So that is an incredible niche that if you've got the knowledge, why not? Artwork, more art, and then here you've got your digital planner, which would be for good notes. That one is undated, botanical designs. You know, it's just incredible. Maternity study guide, more artwork, more planners. So what I would suggest we do, sticker notes, just for your iPads and tablets and phones, coffee cup mock-ups. You know, there are so many different things. Cartoon portrait from a photo, digital note paper. I mean, this is crazy, like all the different things. So let's take a look and see what some of these bestsellers are, and then see if we can refine it a little bit more. Because at the moment we've just put in a really broad term of digital downloads. So here we go, 64 pages. And then if we take a look, estimated sales in the last month, digital planner, 600 digital products, and this over here is our estimated revenue. Undated good notes, faceless portraits, SVG bundles, 136 sticky notes, pet portraits, product ideas, digital notes. So I definitely think if we go in now and we'll have a look at some of the digital planners. So they're quite cheap to buy, which I think is possibly a really great selling point. So now if we change that to digital planner, and we'll see if we can refine that anymore. So I'm not going 2023 or anything like that. So again, our first line, we've got lots of ads coming up. This is a really hugely popular niche. So they've all got really high reviews. So over 7,000, 5,000, 2,000, 15,000. Million digital planner bundle. Over 1 million planners, 2023, 2024, undated. So I guess the idea being that you only ever need to buy one planner, which is, yeah, great. Yeah, so around 7,000, 2,000. This one here, 183, 13,000. I mean, we can definitely see here that people are making sales. So digital planners definitely seem to be a great niche to go into. So let's do our product analysis and we'll see if we can refine it down a little bit further. So we've got 68 listings being analysed here. And if we go to sales in the last month, 8,000 sales here. And they're estimating just under £100,000. So this is in the UK site. So just under £100,000 for a digital planner. Another one, 30,000. So absolutely huge revenue to be made here. Undated, 23 to 24. Even these ones, see, that one there's priced at £3. It's probably £2.99. Made just under £700 in the last month. But they estimate that it's actually sold over 2,000 copies. The really great thing about something like digital planners is that you can, you can upload it and do very, very little work on it after that. I would say that this is possibly more passive than what I'm currently doing, which is the print on demand. But I think this is, really incredible niche, and I would definitely take a look into doing something like this. So these ones at the moment, obviously we're in January, so kind of 2023 is what you would sort of expect to see. But here we go. So we have got some down here where they haven't had any sales. This one here is possibly a brand new one. This one here has had 19 sales total, but none in the last month. So it's not that everyone is just getting sales. There is an amazing... Some of the niches within the digital planner are really cool. So you've got here ADHD digital planner, meal planners, student planner, another ADHD one there. And by just niching down slightly, you can definitely get a little bit more of a market. So an idea that I had was to take a look at sort of business planners. So if we just type in here, business, we'll see business digital planner, 570 searches a month. If you put in the 2023, that's coming up with 238 searches. So it'd be really interesting to see. I'll click on this one so we take out the dates. It'll be really interesting to see how many search results are, coming up just here. So again, we've got over 1,000 results there, 15, not so many there. These are the ads, 1,200, one just there, CEO, business planner. So again, slightly more niche down. Now these ones here are the ones that are definitely selling. So here you've got 13,000, 2,000, 7,000, 17,000. And if you look at the price, they're still pretty low. But the idea is that once you upload them, it's passive. You don't need to do any more to it. Business digital planner, 7,000. Plan My Empire. Oh, these ones here are ads again.
So such a huge array. Girl Boss, 88, Handmade Business Planner, again slightly more niched. So again, let's run through the statistics over here. We'll go product analysis and take a look through. So 70 listings here being analysed. Let's go estimated sales, just under 100,000. And this one actually came up in a different category as well. 37. So again, you can make absolutely huge profits. And you can see here, look, not everyone is making sales. So it does come down to, you know, look at your mock-ups. That's the CEO one there. Look at your mock-ups. See what kind of advertising, what are the other people that are making huge sales doing? What's different about their mock-up to your mock-up? And use theirs as inspiration. This is currently getting 620 sales per month. Definitely, possibly then take this a step further and think, what kind of business would you like to create for? And then I would maybe use that more within your tab. But what kind of skills do you need in order to create a digital planner? These planners, they can actually be created within Canva. However, it does take a bit of work. It will take you a while to get them all done. Everything will be hyperlinked. So you need to go in, and if you click this button, you need it to have it so then it takes it to the right place. Otherwise, what on earth is the point of a digital planner? What seems to be the most popular is when you're bundling the planners together. And that you've got, you know, really good poppy cups. Seem to be great. They're all quite colourful.
So with some basic Canva skills and knowledge, you can easily create this at home.
The price for something like this is not especially high. However, when you go into the more specialised versions, they tend to be a bit higher. So this one here, Ultimate, that's got £30, 2023 for business owners, just under £30. So if you would be at all interested in seeing a tutorial by me on how to create one of these digital planners, then just leave me a comment down below, just saying planner. And if I get comments, I will absolutely look to make that video for you in the very near future.
I hope that I have demonstrated to you that digital products can definitely make you big money on Etsy. Now, do not be fooled into thinking that this is easy. So you need to really think about what you can do to set your digital planner apart from the others. So think about what kind of niche you can put it into. Is it for a business owner? Is it for a handmade business? Is it just perhaps a craft planner? You know, really have a think about what it is that you want to offer and what it is that is going to set you apart from everyone else. Don't just replicate what's already out there. Improve upon it. And if that means that you need to buy a few planners and see what the offer is, buy a few, use them as inspiration, but you must not re-upload them and claim them as your own. So I really hope that you have found this so useful, and I really do wish you every success with your Etsy business, and I would really encourage you to just take that first step. Sit down, set aside a few hours and just start jotting down some ideas about what you would want to achieve. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Bye.